I went to the store and I ended up buying something. We have the DJI Mic Mini, and this works wonders, but I'm going to be opening it up with you here today. Also, this is very simple to use. The packaging might not look exactly the same way if you just bought yours. So this is where you would get the DJI mic from. It will be inside of this packet. I'm not sure if it's ever in here. This little bag, I don't know what to call it, but it's beautiful. I love it. Comes in this plastic. You pop it open. I believe it does. So there was a couple things that I had to end up learning by watching videos, so I'm going to make sure I go through that with you guys today. So we're gonna pop this open. Here is the DJI Mic Mini. It starts immediately blinking as you open it. So you're gonna take this out. This is, I don't recall exactly what this is called, but this is the part where you are gonna plug this part into your phone. You may be wondering, well, how does that work? All right, we're gonna get into that. The next piece is you have one mic, which I'm gonna be showing one mic. I don't really, like, this one's just the other mic, right? So we're gonna leave that there. And then this is the piece, if I can bring it a little bit closer, this is the piece that you're gonna pop off that eventually goes into that part that goes into the phone. This was one of the hardest parts for me, y'all. Well, as you can see at the top, let me aim it this way, my fault, is there's an arrow down right here, and you got this. What you're going to do is you're going to slide this in. Don't be afraid, because I was afraid to push down, because look, that's not enough. It needs to go all the way down. So the way I kind of do it, if it literally feels like I'm breaking it, but it snaps right into place. Now that's ready to go. You plug that into the phone. And of course, though, you need to make sure the mic is connected, which normally the mic is connected. When you see this light standing still, that is the mic being connected. And then there's a power button on here, by the way. There's a power button. It should already be on, but if it's not on, you will just hold this. I'm turning this one off though. And then also too, this is a Bluetooth button. So you could use this through Bluetooth without plugging this in. But I've learned that this is, with Bluetooth, like, it's good if you're in front of the camera, but if you try to walk away or anything, it will not work. When you have this plugged in, you could literally step outside the car and still hear your voice very clear. Maybe if you Bluetooth this part and the mic, maybe it will sound good, but y'all could just test that out. You'll just hold the Bluetooth button until it starts to blink, and then you'll just connect it to your phone. But this is the way better way with just plugging it into your phone or your camera or whatever. So real quick, I'm gonna end up testing it. I'm gonna plug it in, and I want you guys to know there's also this little thing here, which I never really learned too much about, but you are able to like twist it to go lower. I think it's about the intensity of what it's gonna hear, if you want it to be strong or not. I normally leave it on +12. I haven't noticed anything too crazy. So I'm gonna end up testing this out in two ways. First, I wanna hold it like this. Second, I'm gonna put it away and probably like hang it up on my shirt, see how it sounds so we can see the different sounds. There is a noise cancellation thing on here that you got to target through an app. You got to download, I think it's called DJI I don't know, I gotta look at the app so I can let y'all know. My fault. One thing I wanted to show you though, because my camera died, is look at this in the back. This is how you could charge your phone while you are using the mic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unplug this charger, I'm gonna plug this in here, and then you put this in, the mic is on. But it's also charging my phone, which I thought was pretty cool. So I already have noise cancellation on. I'm gonna see if I could try and turn it off on here. Okay, see how it turned off? Granted, like I said, you have to click on the app to do this, and I'll reveal what that app is a little bit later. But yeah, so I know y'all can hear how it sounds here. It sounds pretty good. I can also clip it. So real quick, give me a second. I hate clipping it though. Clip it and it sounds pretty good here. It does sag the shirt a little bit, but compared to the other ones, because they're a lot more bigger and heavier, it sags it. But this isn't too bad of a sag. Also too, you could put a hat on. Like I was using my hat the other day on my vertical stream if you want to check that out. But as you can see, the mic sounds very clear. It does sound like a pretty good mic, like something I plan to do with this mic is start filming outside. It also even has, oh, I forgot to show you guys the rest that was in this box, my fault. But it also even has this wire here, which I think could be connected to like your laptop or something. And then it has this right here, which is the stuff that could keep it quiet as it's outside. I'm not sure if the black one does it, but I know that this one is supposed to be the one that does it. It's like this gray little furry one, so if there's any wind and stuff like that, that's pretty good as well. So I meant to show that to y'all, my fault. I got a little bit excited to start testing this mic, but I'm gonna play my own video in the background, and since there's no noise cancellation on, you're probably going to end up hearing both of us, and it's going to sound terrible. Now, I tried this out and I thought it sucked. I was like, no, there's no noise cancellation. It's because I don't have it on. Now, if I click it once, so by the way, when you turn it on the app, all you have to click is the power button once and it will turn yellow. This was something that it took me a minute to figure it out, but let me click the power button and see how now it's yellow. I'll tell y'all what the app is soon. So now noise cancellation is on. You can pick strong, you can kind of mess around with the settings, nothing too crazy though, but you could definitely mess around with the settings and stuff like that. So now, my fault, y'all. I was re-watching the video and I noticed that the noise cancellation didn't end up sounding so good. And you don't have to hold it this close. Let me stop doing that. But I think it was because I do need to end up putting this on, so we're going, but not too low. And let's see if it's kind of working here. But I remember when I was using it yesterday, it did work, which was pretty cool. So hopefully it ends up working. I know that this more than likely is going to work, though. I never heard any complaints about this. And I start talking to it like this, you're really not going to end up hearing my voice. To me, though, it sounds very distracting, but the noise cancellation works very well. I'm super happy to have this mic. I think this mic was probably one of the best purchases, and y'all won't even believe it. This was an $80 mic. An $80 mic, and I think it gets the job done. You can even use this as a mic for, you know, playing video games. The only thing is though is that your output would probably have to be from the TV. If maybe you can make the output like on a radio or something, so it kind of is different, but you would have to make the output on a TV, and this mic can work while playing games. This mic can work while you're doing like a podcast episode. It could work if you're filming content, doing ads. Like, if you guys want a mic, this is a really good mic to end up using, and it's the DJI, as you can see, it's the DJI Mic Mini. I personally like this one. I'm sure Mic 2 and maybe Mic 3 might have better benefits, but this was just the cheapest option that I feel like still works very well. And I'm just super happy and super excited. But something else I want to test for you guys as well is I'm going to actually turn this camera around and I'm going to show you me leaving the room, and I'm going to go to the living room while the camera is here so that y'all can still hear me and listen to how crisp and clear it is. I'm going to literally be going all the way to the living room. So let's go. Look how crazy this works. I'm in my kitchen right now. Basically, I'm not really doing anything, just walking over here, and it sounds impeccable. So like I know, granted, not a lot of people are probably going to use it like this, but it is going to be good if you do want to use it for something like streaming, and maybe you have a mic on 2 different people. Maybe you want people to hear what another person is saying while they're gone or away or whatever. But this mic works very well. Now, this is insane. This mic is insane. I'm actually really happy. I almost shed real tears being able to find a mic this cheap, because I thought I was gonna have to spend like $200 or something. The fact that I was able to spend 80 bucks on this and it sounds good, y'all, it's insane. So I hope you guys ended up enjoying this review. If there's anything else you want me to end up testing with this mic, y'all can let me know. Like for instance, if you want me to put this on, or if you want me to go outside and put this on to see how it sounds when people are driving by and stuff like that, with the noise cancellation off, then turning it on, kind of see like that, and then eventually throwing this on just to see the differences, right? So hope you guys ended up enjoying this video. This is Marzi signing off. Deuces.